Yeah, hello? What is good, guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, can't complain. It's a beautiful sight, and there's even a more beautiful sight over there. I just need the G to be right there, like fully done running. That would be freaking nice. But you know, we don't live in a perfect world, so it is what it is. You guys see the title, man. You already know what's going down in this video. It is about that time, bro. I need to take this car out. I've only taken it to the track one time. So I've only realistically been drifting one time my entire life. Doing donuts and stuff like that doesn't really count. I mean, yeah, it does help you, manage some kind of control and get comfortable with your car, but you can't compare like donuts to drifting. I'm basically gonna get this car prepped. I'm trying to take it out tomorrow. I have to finish this within a couple hours because I need to buy the ticket. I need to obviously swap over the wheels, put the bumper back on. I gotta make sure my fuel pump's not leaking. We still do have the damage in the back from Mr. Crash Test Dummy. But I don't want to put my new bumper on because I'm gonna go to the track, so I just feel like it's kind of stupid to put the bumper on. I don't slide with the front bumper on, I take it off, and yeah, the rear bumper is basically it's trash now, so I'm not really too concerned about it. I'm gonna try to fix some of the damage on the other side just to get the bumper to fit better, throw some zip ties in it or something, and go from there. All right, it's been about over a week since I started this thing, so let's see if it starts.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
God damn, it shit looks horrible. So yeah, I'm going to drill some holes, throw some zip ties, try to fix this up, clean it up, make it look a little bit better, and just have it intact so it doesn't look so damn like stupid. All right, guys, we back. Got the drift wheels on. Shout out to Kanze wheels. I need to put my spacer back on though, because the fitment looks trash. But yes, sir, man, she's ready. All the fluids are good. All the wheels torqued down. She's just about ready to go, man. Have some fun tomorrow. I got my boy Ali coming out. He's gonna do some BTS for me, get a little bit of footage behind the scenes, get some photos for me, and it should be a good day. I also fixed up the rear a little bit. We got some Band-Aids. I'm a true drifter now, man. I got a zip-tied bumper, but honestly, it doesn't look too bad now. It looks like a drift car. All right, just filled up. So far, so good, no leaks. So I think we good. She is ready for tomorrow.
Early the next morning.
sucks. Caught in the rain in a drift car and your windshield wipers don't work. Definitely sucks. Alright, thankfully it cleared up. About like 30 minutes away now. The almighty Towman. Topped off the E85, met up with my boy Ali, and we are headed to the track. Should be a little bit better to watch now that my fuel pump is a lot quieter. The last time, bro, the whole video, this shit was just like, alright, clearly we are almost there. Honestly, if this was paved like all the way, like a decent road, I would probably come up here a lot more often. I just hate taking this damn road. And we made it. So we did not have the track to ourselves today. I did see a couple cars, but it's all good. It's not like packed or nothing. I didn't even check my tire pressure. I haven't bought gloves yet, but sheesh, how about that S15? Damn, son. It feels good to be back on the track. Just warming up the tires. Alright guys, let's go. Shit, don't want to go in there. That looks scary. His gloves like fucking weird. I think I'm gonna take the gloves off. Whew, I got the adrenaline pumping. Damn, my man's out here sliding on the TEs. Savage. Alright guys, take a quick break. Let's go hear this thing. This thing sounds sick. Yo, so these guys have a rental company for a drift car. So they actually rent that Z out. Pretty sick. Oh, he's sending it too. Dude, listen to this thing. That thing sounds so sick. guys, I'm gonna give this a try again. I had a little bit too much air in the rear. It was at like 40 psi once they warmed up, so I dropped that down. And last time I was sliding with no gloves, so I feel like that helped a little bit. The gloves just feel weird. Kinda hit my cam. Saved it. Woo! That was a perfect save. Getting the hang of it, getting the hang of it. It's hard to adjust because last time I came it was a lot warmer, so it's like colder pavement. We'll get it. Okay. Yeah, it's a little slippery, but it's alright, we'll adjust.